Hello, everyone. The video shows how to use SessionBox Workstation with YiLu Proxy. Firstly, configure YiLu Proxy settings as shown video. For static IPs, right-click an IP and select a port. Check multi-port forwarding information on port forward list.
For dynamic IPs, select rotating residential IP or data center IP.
Select the format IP port username password. And set the number of generating IPs.
Then select a location. Refresh. Right-click an IP and select a port. Check proxy port. If you only use a fixed proxy port, you can right-click an IP and click Connect. The green point means the connection is successful. You can also right-click a dynamic IP and connect. Next, run SessionBox Workstation. Enter Proxy Manager. Click Add New Proxy. Enter a name, yiluproxy 1080. Select proxy type, SOX.
Enter 127.0.0.1. Enter port 1080.
Click Save. Add another proxy.
YiLu Proxy static IPs support SOCKS5 protocol, dynamic IPs support SOCKS5 and HTTP.
Port 5501. You can also add multiple proxies. Enter IP port name or IP port name username password. Right-click a dynamic IP and copy. Paste and add a name. Name is optional. Select proxy type, SOX. Click Add. You can edit proxy, such as change the dynamic IP's type to be HTTP. Then save. Close the window. Click the session proxy icon and select a proxy to use. Enter epinfo.io to check the IP address. The IP is the same as the IP connected in YiLu Proxy. You can change the proxy at any time. Refresh the web page to check IP again. The IP is the same as the IP forward to port 5501. Next, test YiLu Proxy dynamic IP. The location of the IP is the same as that selected in YiLu Proxy. Okay, the video is over. Bye.